Hello, this is the documentation for my revised project. To start, I have updated the graphics for the main menu in order to, silly me, better match the artistic design of the rest of the game, as well as the controls menu. Alright, now back to the game. To start, you are placed in a level select hub. The current choices being a target practice and the original combat arena of my exploration first-person shooter project. As well, ambient music has been added to avoid total silence. Loading into our game, I will go down to this arena in order to display key functions. First of which being the addition of a scope. Now originally, there was no scope. It was simply a zoom function. So I added a scope with blur in order to help keep some semblance of player location relative to environment in tight packed and dangerous areas. I did not want to too drastically remove player visibility. Now, for the sake of this recording, I'm going to, I guess you can say, cheat and eliminate some enemies prior. Because my laptop will definitely lag if I try to enter combat with this many objects. Alright? The first major feature is the updated heads-up display, which not only keeps track of health, but keeps track of current damage taken upon hit, displayed in red. The next major feature is what I like to call Smiley FACEs, where the enemy now tracks your location and will follow you instead of staying static. In the meantime, I'm going to pick up a health item to make the rest of the game a little easier on me. And now we gotta wait for the elevator. Alright. Good timing on the elevators. See, that was part of the function of the design, the previous game. In any case, how could I forget? This is a nighttime environment, so my lighting settings could not allow for natural engine lighting to create the octagon-shaped spotlight here. It was, in my previous version, a circle. Now, this is done by, I believe, a light mask function, and I turned it into an octagon, effectively, adding to the realism of the environment. I need to travel a little bit through the game to reach the next key function. In another addition to my user interface, the PowerUp Meter. So, alright. Good. And for fun while we're here, I'll show off the machine gun. Alright, cool. So this is a pickup item, a power-up, and upon retrieval of the item, the orange meter will fill and subtract in value. To let the user know how much time they have left with the current power-up. Let's see here. Talk about seeing red. Now, let me see here. I will reverse out just to display that this is a daytime lighting, and the engine is currently using natural lighting for this Octogon. While we're here, might as well enter the target practice to show the variety of moving objects, stationary objects that the player can use to train their accuracy while moving, while switching weapons, while using any and all of the key functions of the game. Now let me see here. Did I forget anything? Blur. Oh yes! I can't believe I almost forgot. A key issue in the previous game, which I will admit I intentionally avoided showing off this error in my prior video. I'll give you an example here. These enemies, once activated, they will continuously fire at you. If you need to escape, the bullets now hit the wall, and you are safe. In the previous version of this game, the bullets from the enemies could not detect walls, so they would fly through them and continue to assault the enemy. Now, as you can see, I am safe until I choose to re-enter combat. Alright, well, that displays the main features of the updated, revised project. Thank you for listening.